Scott had the great idea that we build rafts to sleep overnight in the ocean. And that's what we're doing.
The raft building has begun. Not exactly sure what the plan is over here on the losing team, but it's looking pretty unstructurally stable.
Hey!
We'll see. Over here though, we're gonna build quite the beautiful raft, so we'll keep you guys updated. Looks like you guys already have these boards together.
Hold on.
What happened? What happened? Something happened?
No, we just had to pre-drill the holes. So
The wrong way?
Yeah.
A-team looking pretty good here. Getting the last couple screws in our platform. Hit it! Oh yeah. Steamroller team over here. Not exactly sure what's going on yet. Well, the bag wasn't on, so we got some on the plants. Alright, I take back a lot of my criticisms. I don't know how well it's gonna work yet, but it does look pretty cool. Alex, it would be smart if you double this up and you had on the top and bottom so they can't fall out.
We're gonna just duct tape the top, like underneath it.
Have it fully.
We're just gonna
hope for the best.
We're gonna duct tape.
Duct tape, yeah.
Overhead.
Yeah, I mean, it looks like it's holding already really well, so I imagine when you take it in the ocean, it's gonna hold better.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. It floats! Ooba! Woo! Strong? Yeah, why not? So, day 2, reality is starting to set in. It's kind of embarrassing that we're building rafts like we're 6 years old. But today, we're gonna finish these things, put the decks on them, hopefully get them all screwed together, and then we'll do another float test and we'll go from there, see if we make it out to the ocean. Okay, we finished the raft. As you can tell, it's pretty cool. Nate, thoughts?
Looks good. Pontoon things.
I think we have to put it back in the water to see if she floats.
Float number 2, almost there.
Oh, it's really wobbly now.
Should I get on 2?
Dude, this is gonna sink in the ocean. This is horrible. Yeah! We're losing. This raft is cooler, it's bigger in every dimension, it looks more creative with like the triangle things. So I realized we had a bunch of scrap material left. So I'm gonna go ahead and build 2 benches on this thing with like a table in the middle so we can play some card games out there. And then I also wanna cut in a window. And I didn't really tell anyone else I'm doing this, so they'll be surprised.
You don't have to wear goggles at night. Splinters can't even see you.
Put some bracing and look at it now.
Sturdy.
Nope. Really rope right through there.
We don't fit.
Oh. Are you serious?
Yep.
No, we're gonna fit.
Nope.
We're gonna fit.
Nope. No way our bit is broke. Bit's broke.
The bit broke?
Yep.
We're gonna have to rip it.
My only concern is that there's a Darwin Award.
Watch out.
There's a Darwin Award coming here.
Gate coming out.
Oh, like a glove. Now you just have to move the gas pipes.
Gas meter.
We're gonna have to take the gas meter off.
That ain't going anywhere. All right, it's a little late. It's really late, but we're gonna try to do it still. This is a horrible idea. This is a really, really bad idea.
Oh, this is light. Alright, what are we doing?
Okay, here, will you take Scott's?
Come on, champions! It's gonna be epic!
Come up to Jack's corner.
Why are you leaving him? They built these, Josh! You just said?
You guys don't share one.
Yeah.
Hypothermia only sets in after 4 a.m. Come on, dude.
Marcus, what's going on?
Dude, we're out in the middle of the ocean.
Middle of the ocean.
We're good though. We made it past the break.
We don't know if they're coming.
Maybe not. We're good. We're good.
Let's throw this anchor. Hold this.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna throw anchor.
We're throwing anchor, boys.
Hey, there they are! Took you guys a while.
Coming.
Yeah, we're still in the chop here, but we got the anchor down. All right.
All right. So we're in our new spot and we're about to throw the anchor. Here we go.
We made it out beyond the wake. It's pretty brutal, but anchor is in the water. All right.
All right. We're tying up.
Tying up.
We're looking good.
We're looking really good.
We're looking good. Look in the water. Soon we're gonna have a fire.
We're gonna have to. I gotta take these flippers off.
Scott's angry.
I feel so nauseous.
I'm getting a little seasick.
How you feeling, Jack?
I feel fine.
His waves are actually
I think
big. You
I have
cannot tell on the
scars.
camera, but
Yeah, they are
we are
pretty
not
big.
outside of the waves out here. Oh, okay.
Straight chaos.
There we go. Nice.
I'm seasick. I'm oh,
Jack,
no.
get the light down between these two boats.
Oh, no.
Okay, that could be border patrol. That's not good. Everything's fine
God,
though.
they're coming for us.
Getting the lights turned on. Oh, they're in a party mode. Party mode. You can see. I'm pretty sure this is damaging my raft every time this is hitting. All right, let's get the fire pit out. Glad we brought like half a week's worth of supplies. Who wants a burger? I'll make one. Burgers.
Yeah. Oh my God.
All right, burgers. burgers. Oh, these look good. They have cheddar infused.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Inside of it. I can do 2 at a time.
What?
Put you on.
No?
Put you on. That's definitely a 1.
I don't want to do something irrational, like going out in the middle of the ocean on a plywood raft.
We get hit by a wave right now.
Oh, it's sizzling.
I'm gonna cry.
This is a great
spatula?
view.
Oh my
Didn't
God.
think
You
of
don't have a spatula. You're
I can
gonna
use
pick
my
that up
hands.
with your
Flip it
hands.
with do a little.
Right.
Oh no!
Everybody good?
That is grease, dude. Do
All right.
not do
I'll
that.
use a bun to flip it. These are not hot.
Whoa! Look at that cheese.
Hey, Marcus, look up at the sky. Look up.
Oh!
We're not gonna make it overnight. Oh no. Jack, are you gonna make it overnight? No. No, Marcus?
No, definitely.
Alex? Okay.
But I think these burgers.
Some guy on the shore offered to pay us $100 each if we made it overnight, and I just don't think it's gonna happen.
Just like
Unfortunately.
making fun of us.
I liked him though. He was cool.
Like, he had a good energy.
No, I'm gonna try to find him and give him this video. For some random guy who's the biggest fan out here. Woo! What's your name? What's your name?
name's Chris.
Chris. Woo!
Ready?
Yep. Gas is on.
Oh, it's gotta work. Come on.
Oh, you didn't have that gas on?
No.
There we go. Now it's really on.
Oh my
Nice. That's cool though.
All right.
The people are gonna think on the shore that our raft's on fire. It kind of is. Let's eat those burgers.
Burgers are
This
burger for you,
is the coolest thing I've ever done.
Jack.
Mm.
Oh yeah. Marcus.
Medium, perfect.
You sure?
Yeah.
You don't want it?
Oh, that's good. No, they're really good.
Let's see
Get a big
how
bite.
the taste test is.
Oh, that was raw.
Yeah. No, that's good. Medium. Real good eating.
What do you have to say, Scott?
This is one of the worst ideas I've ever had.
Oh, it burns. All right,
Alex.
he's gonna flip it. You need to chill with that,
It
dude.
was cooked like an hour ago. Do you like your?
Was that just on the wood?
Yeah, it was on the wood.
And it's gonna be salted. You like that?
Oh, nice.
A little salty? A little soggy salty?
I burnt it.
You burnt it.
Shay's off? No, it is off. Like I might throw up. He's gonna carry the boat in the log.
We have to carry him all the way up that rock hill too.
Uh-oh.
This one turned out really well.
I got
Kind of underutilized, if you ask me.
get on the boat though.
But I almost fell
Okay,
off.
this is probably really hot, so be careful of this.
All right, I'm gonna get back on my raft.
Alright, let's get out of here.
Not enough love. Ugh. Turned out pretty nice. Turned more into a storage raft for sure to supply everything, but
at this point.
that's okay. This one has more seating.
This is out of.
Every aircraft carrier needs an auxiliary boat, so yeah. My biggest fear now is swimming back in with the sharks. So also we were chumming the waters maybe with some burgers hypothetically.
Here you go.
So that's not good. So we'll put that away. And I'm pretty sure we might be going back in. It's a little bit too rough to be sleeping out here, but we did bring some supplies to try to sleep. But that might have to be a future video on something else.
Your idea.
All right, Alex.
We need to get out of here.
It's not looking good. It's bad. It's really bad. We need to leave. It was a great effort, and we definitely tried, but I think if we stayed out here, we would actually be thrown up. So we just get seasick. Anyways, we're going back in. We're packing up, and we'll keep the rafts. Maybe we'll use them again, maybe we won't, but I think they're more suitable for a lake environment.
Oh, our fins.
No, we don't want them anymore. We're not getting out of the boat.
I think we're gonna have to get
I'm not getting out. I'm not getting out no matter what happens. I'm wearing my...
All right, we got a paddle. Throw a paddle.
Oh, we got 4 paddles.
Oh, 4 paddles.
Everyone can paddle in.
What if we wash right into the jetty?
I don't think that's a good idea.
Could happen. All right, well, good luck, guys. Here we go.
Wait, so we're
Paddling in. We're gonna go directly in towards that fire. We're doing well out here. Our raft is much better in the ocean than theirs, but theirs is definitely much better at sitting. I'm paddling. I'm just trying to do my YouTube video too.
Oh boy.
All right, we're getting right into the thick of it. Oh. Oh wow, you cannot tell in the film, but that was like a 3-foot roller. Okay, you cannot tell, but that is a huge wave.
We're really close to the shore.
Yeah, that was a really big one. We cannot go into the jetty. We got to paddle. Look at the jetties right there. All right, we got to. All right, so lean back. There's a double wave. Lean back. Get on the back. Get on the back. All right, get ready to bail. Bail. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. All right, I hurt my back a little bit, but I'm all right. You guys all right? What's going on? You guys all right? You all right? What happened?
We almost split.
Are you guys good?
Jack literally got thrown off.
I'm in my...
Marcus, watch out in front of you.
We had
to
to
the side.
We had to bail, dude.
We did too. Alright.
You had fun?
Yeah, that's
Did you have fun?
Yeah, great time.
Did you have fun?
No.
I didn't have that much fun. Make sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.